The HP Indigo Experience Show will start in 1 minute. The Indigo Experience Show will start in 30 seconds. The HP Indigo Experience Show will start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Magical, isn't it? We're here today to share a few highlights from HP Indigo's new portfolio and unveil some exciting innovations in digital printing that will help commercial print businesses grow and prosper.
Oh God, excuse me, innovations in digital print to help commercial print businesses grow? Come on, that's a bit of a stretch.
Not for HP Indigo, it isn't. Now, may I continue?
Continue all you like, my friend, but I've been in the business for years and I know that digital doesn't compare to my offset. For quality, speed, media, I mean, quite frankly, it's a bit of a toy.
Finished?
Ha! He's got no answer for that, has he?
Actually, yes I do. And here it is. The HP Indigo 7600. It's the next generation of our proven bestseller in its category, the 7500.
A bestseller? Who says?
Industry analysts and, more importantly, our customers in 120 countries. Who else? In fact, let's hear what our customers are saying.
We're very pleased with the quality, and we were happy to see more speed and more productivity in the 7 Series.
只有选择Indigo 7系列，它才能够更好的支持你把这些工作完成好。
7500 empowered with a GFE was the best choice for us.
A primeira delas, que a gente pode agregar valor aos impressos trazendo cores a eles, e a principal, eu consigo ser muito mais rentável.
투천이백으로 비즈니스를 성공적으로 이끌 수 있다고 저는 확신을
Wow, you've got a real international fan club there.
Yes, and over 60% of the Indigo 7000 family customers have more than one press.
So what's new on this Indigo 7600 press then?
Productivity for starters. This press can run up to 160 colour pages per minute. That makes it the fastest digital press in its class.
160 ppm?
That's right, all thanks to our new enhanced productivity mode.
Have you got any samples?
Of course, all output will be available after the show.
Well, that really helps me meet my delivery deadlines.
You can also differentiate yourself by offering your customers some value-added special effects. These are just a few examples. We have the textured effect and the raised print effect, both created on the press. Then there's this unique digital watermark and one white ink allowing printing on dark or metallic substrates.
Oh, my customers will love those. But you also have some features my production manager will love.
Of course, the 7600 features something we call intelligent automation.
Where's he off to?
Please, come back. Every time he hears the word automation, he thinks it's time for a tea break. No, seriously, he's not tied to the press and can mind additional equipment at the same time.
So what exactly do you mean when you say intelligent automation?
Don't go. One example is a system that helps find print defects on the fly using sophisticated algorithms. It then automatically notifies the operator so he can decide what to do.
Oh, that sounds all very high tech, but tell me, what happens if I buy this machine and then a newer model comes out?
We are committed to keeping you up to date. So, for example, existing 7000 family presses can be updated in the field with the features of the new 7600.
Well, that's all very nice, but it says here, this is the inkjet DRUPA.
Weren't you ever told not to believe everything you read in the papers? Yes, inkjet is a growing force, and HP is the largest inkjet vendor in the world. But inkjet and Indigo are complementary. Each has a different sweet spot.
Well, I understand that. So tell me, exactly what is Indigo's sweet spot, as you call it?
It's all about high print quality, high ink coverage, and the broad choice of substrates enabled by the offset-like process. In a word, versatility. This is the digital technology that combines the offset values with the obvious digital added values, which is why virtually every HP inkjet web customer has an Indigo as well.
Sounds like the perfect combination.
Print service providers are buying more Indigos and printing higher volumes than ever before. In fact, our customers' print volume has more than doubled since last DRUPA. It's now at 20 billion high-value pages per year.
Impressive, but tell me, what's that at the end of the press?
I was wondering when you noticed that. That is Page Ready, a unique digital solution for cutting, collating and stacking. You can go from print file to finished product with no manual intervention.
What, you mean so no one has to touch it?
Watch carefully. I need a volunteer from the audience to create and submit a job. Perfect. In a couple of minutes, we'll submit you with your finished product without the operator needing to lift a finger.
Hey, we've got one of those. A real game changer.
Gary ran a pure offset shop until he bought an Indigo in 2005. And then what happened, Gary?
Well, it simply transformed our business. We've more than doubled our turnover in the last 5 years. We went from 0 digital orders to handling 10,000 orders per day. And our digital business is growing at 60% per annum. And most importantly, it's profitable too.
Sounds like he's running a business in a different industry. Not bad.
Gary is just one example of a successful Indigo customer. To be honest, if Indigo's business is thriving, it's due to the success of customers like Gary. On average, our customers' print volume has grown over 30% annually since last DRUPA.
Our secret, listening well. And if you want to learn more about how we and other businesses in this market are evolving, take a look at D-Scoop.
What's that?
D-Scoop is a global HP community of Indigo users. It allows you to share ideas and to learn what's working. It's new to Europe and our first event is later this year. You can sign up today. It's over there.
Well, thanks, Gary. Yeah, I will.
Can I tell them our secret now?
Be my guest.
We've been lucky enough to be selected to beta test the new HP 10,000 in the UK. That's Indigo's new B2 press. And it's going to be installed this summer. It's a format that we know and love, and it's going to enable new applications and open up new markets for us. We're really excited about it.
Sorry, did he just say B2?
Yes, B2, 29 inches, 750 millimeters wide. This is the HP Indigo 10,000 digital press.
Is it for real?
Oh, you tell me. 7 presses in this wide format are on display in our booth. Gary's press and 10 other betas are lined up for the end of the year, with full commercial release in early 2013. In fact, let's find out more about the 10,000 from the product manager. Welcome to DRUPA 2012, Tamir.
Thank you, Steve. It's great to be here.
So Tamir, what's the big deal about the 10,000?
In one word, Steve, size. It's just like your B2 offset press, only now you can digitally produce any commercial application, even those needing full B2 format.
What, you mean like pocket folders, 6-page brochures, B2 posters, packaging applications for which the right digital solutions have never existed?
Exactly. Plus a lot more, including true digital jobs with variable data and runs of one, all with Indigo quality, even on this large sheet size.
And what about productivity?
The press runs up to 4,600 color sheets per hour. We also have an auto duplex system. As you know, with the imposition efficiency of the B2 format, you'll get over 2.5 times more productivity than existing sheet-fed digital presses.
But digital has always been about short runs. Surely the shorter format is sufficient for that.
Now, that used to be true, but not anymore.
That's right. Today, digital print is also about medium and long run. Now you can print thousands of sheets profitably in a single job. This is why we built a pallet feeder for the press.
Well, that really is just like an offset press.
In some ways, yes, but at the end of the day, it's digital. Every page can be different. Full VDP, no make ready. You get all these capabilities and intelligent automation.
Careful, or your operator will be off on another tea break.
Actually, we designed this press around the operator, with attention to detail that operators are going to love.
For example?
For example, automatic change of consumables.
Which is what you can see on the screen over here.
Not only that, it's also very easy to load paper into the press, as you can see.
Also shown on the screen here. Show them how great the user interface is.
It's also very intuitive.
Well, I'll hand it to you, HP. It is a great press. But will it work with my current workflow and finishing devices?
Yes, absolutely. The Indigo 10,000 is fully compatible with your existing workflow and with standard offset finishing devices.
So you built the press with the offset finishing in mind?
We did, but you will be more productive with digital finishing equipment that deals with pre-collated runs and doesn't require any setup. You can see such equipment on our booth.
Thank you very much, Tamir.
You're welcome. And you can find me here if you have any more questions.
Thank you. Now, speaking of finishing, what about that job for my friend over here from the page ready?
Neve, here it is. No one had to touch that from start to finish.
Now that is what I call an exciting innovation. Could I get a copy of that, please?
Be my guest.
Thanks. Now, looking at this, you'd think it was printed on an offset press. I don't mind admitting it. Now, as an offset printer, I was worried about my business. So I came to DRUPA to find a solution.
And?
I may well have found it here at HP.
Great. Still as magical as ever. Come and see this magic in reality. We welcome you up here to come and see the 24 Indigos and 12 other HP digital devices on our booth.